हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आई एम योर होस्ट अर्जित मिन्हास और आप देख रहे हैं द फिटनेस मैकेनिक्स। तो गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है इट इज़ अबाउट BPC-157 अ पेप्टाइड, जो कि अ लॉट ऑफ एथलीट्स हैव बीन यूजिंग दीज डेज, जो फॉर द रिकवरी कोई भी इंजरी हो जाती है तो दे गो फॉर BPC-157। तो विल टॉक अबाउट इट टुडे कि BPC-157 है क्या एक्चुअली में, व्हाट इज़ BPC-157। Guys, BPC-157 stands for Body Protecting Compound 157. It is a compound जो body हमारी produce करती है to fight the stomach ulcers, जो हमारे पेट में अल्सर हो जाते हैं। To fight that thing, our body produces BPC-157. But in recent studies, it have shown कि भाई BPC-157 actually have tendon and ligament repairing effects, and it accelerates the process even threefolds. तो भाई athletes they started experimenting with BPC-157 क्योंकि see athletes always want to stay in their game. Once there is a tendon or ligament injury, guys, it's very awful, and I have experienced it personally. So you just want to go back in the game. So they started experimenting with themselves because it is working on rats and rabbits. So they said like it will work on us as well. So they started, and it actually works. बहुत सारी studies हैं, FDA approved नहीं है ये, but like there have been a lot of studies जो show करती हैं कि BPC-157 have really great healing effects on tendons, ligaments, and burns as well. Some studies have suggested it actually works on burn skin as well. So guys, personally I would say कि by BPC-157 लेने के there are so many different ways. Some says कि local administration is better, कि भाई locally जहाँ पे दिक्कत है वहाँ पे उसको properly inject किया जाए या जैसे भी, उससे better result आएंगे. Some people are saying कि, and some studies are also saying कि भाई अगर हम orally लेते हैं तब भी वो effective है BPC-157. तो my personal experience guys कि मैंने I didn't wanted to take any risk. I mean no chance. I wanted to get back in my game as soon as possible. तो मेरा जो था वो मेरा tendon and tricep tear हो गया था while I was doing overhead extension dumbbell. तो maybe too much nitrate retention की वजह से I don't know what happened. And it was actually major partial tear, but it was stage 2, so it was pretty bad. It's still bad, from here the tricep is kind of gone. So I tried BPC-157. The first thing came in my mind BPC-157 because everyone was using BPC-157. So what I did, I had BPC-157 mangaya, but I did the local administration of BPC-157. Within 1 month, my movements, which I was not able to do at all, this movement I was not able to do at all, I started moving my arm within 1 month. And within 2 months, it got a little bit better. I started lifting little bit weight. Like imagine I started doing exercise with 5 kg dumbbell, 2 kg dumbbell, little bit. But I was still struggling with this movement till 2 months. I was completely struggling. So guys, the thing is here, what I'm trying to say कि भाई it works, but it accelerates tendon repair in my case. भाई muscle tear पे बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा. जो muscle tear हुआ था it didn't got repaired that much, मतलब faster that I was hoping. पर tendon repair हो गया था within 1 month guys, actually, because I was able to move my arm. Like when your tendon is torn, you are not able to do movement. I was not able to do at all, but then I started doing little bit, and within 1 month I was surprised that I was able to move my arm, and that was a surprise. Now I'm getting back to the exercise, but with this I am keeping this on and then I am doing exercise. But yeah, tricep didn't get back to normal. But yeah, tendon got repaired with BPC-157. So I would say that BPC-157 does work, guys. So if I'm not saying I'm not promoting anything, I'm not saying guys go and use it, but I'm just telling my experience with the compound कि भाई ये काम करता है BPC-157 and it does work. And now I'm going back to exercise. I was actually like continued my exercise. Third, fourth day I started my exercise, but I started doing legs. I was not able to do upper body at all because I was not able to do my arm was hanging like this for like almost 1.5 months. So now I am training tricep as well. And guys, BPC-157, how as far as I have seen कि मुझे कोई side effect नहीं लगा इसका कि any kind of side effect I feel. Yeah, you feel a little bit like maybe आपको शायद fever हो गया, you feel that kind of thing when you use it. But rest of the thing there's nothing. And whatever research and whatever study I have done on it, I have not seen any side effect till now. It is a very good thing. Maybe the day is not far कि भाई might get approved by FDA as well for usage for human beings, but till now it is not. So I would not suggest that you guys go and grab one and then start using, but you can do whatever the hell you want anyways. And I know you guys not gonna listen to anyone anyways, so you might as well use it. And guys, we'll sum up this video over here. Like if you guys have any other question about the BPC-157, you guys can just leave a message or just leave a comment. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And I have written one article as well on BPC-157 with the proper citations and all, which actually suggests that BPC-157 is a very good peptide that actually have really fast, it accelerates your healing process very rapidly. So guys, this is our video on BPC-157. Keep watching the fitness mechanics, guys.